It is the coolest and most confusing video I have seen today. The broken iPhone lies quietly. The red light flashes, and the white light passes by, instantly fading the iPhone's color. How is this done? So we bought the machine in the video. This is a laser marking machine. It can use laser to burn off the adhesive on the phone. Convenient for back cover removal. When using it, you need to first select the corresponding drawing. Place the phone on the positioning table and let the machine automatically adjust the focus. Then put the phone into the furniture. Open the red light preview for the engraving position. Click on the engraving laser to start working. While burning the glue, it will also burn off the paint on the back cover. As a result, the color of the iPhone back cover disappears. After engraving is done, the phone's back cover cannot be easily removed. It still needs to be slowly cleaned with tools. After cleaning, glue can be applied. Replace it with a new intact back cover. Looking at the recently exposed back panel, it reminds me of the transparent design of some phones nowadays. Can we use this label printer to make a transparent version of the iPhone? My iPhone 14 Plus happened to be broken, so we bought a new back cover. First, we use a laser to mark the entire back cover. Burn off the glue and paint, then remove the stainless steel buckle plate. Slowly clean the back cover. However, the printing can still be seen on the transparent back cover. Then we remove the broken back cover from the phone. Install accessories like the Max SAFE wireless charging coil on the clear back cover. Finally, put the processed back cover back onto the phone body. A transparent exploration version of iPhone 14 Plus is completed. It looks quite different. Besides removing the phone, you can also use laser to engrave patterns on metal. For example, if a colleague has a birthday, you can buy a bottle of cola and engrave happy birthday on it to give it to him. Or you can engrave unofficial patterns on your iPad. Laser is really a magical thing.